Right, today, seat removal on a Vauxhall Signum. Show you what you need. Already loosened them off a bit, so I know what I'm doing. You haven't got to watch 20 minutes of it. Right, nice socket set. T50 Torx bit. 5050. The seat, driver's seat. There's a bolt there. Bolt there. My bit's rounded off a bit. This has been so heavily used. But these were actually quite easy to undo. So basically, undo both of them. Come round to the front. Right, you've also got the seat belt one as well. I've already done that, obviously. Right, now that is basically it. There's two latches on the front, so what you have to do is sort of lean it and rock it and lift it back up a bit forward and then push back. You see what I mean? Because these lugs, they sort of latch in under there. And obviously there's one plug for the wiring, which is a very simple, just pull out and release, and then that is it. So the front, although it looks difficult, once you know where the bolts are and how it goes, it's pretty straightforward. Right, now on the rears, what I found out is put the seat back as far as it will go, the handle's under the middle, and put it back. Obviously you take the covers off, there should be a bolt under there, cover off here, and do that. Take the bolt out. Then what we do is slide the seat forward, and then with this one, lift up, and the seat will collapse like that. Now, lift up this bit, and there is two more T50s again, Torx sockets, and then obviously you've got one more seatbelt one. I'll show you. Obviously you can lift the seat up then. Got one more T50 again, and then you got this one bit of wire, obviously for the seatbelt sensor. I don't know if that's heated as well, actually. No, the fronts are heated. I don't know if the backs are. Can't be. It's only a general GM. Right, how did I do this last time? With one hand. Can't remember. Anyway, once you've done that bit, you lift up the boot lining, and then there's a black cover here. You need this black cover out of the way. I can be a bit fierce because I'm breaking this. Right, and then you're left with this. There's two nuts on there. I'll take the nut off there, and then one on the other side as well. And then you're left with, there's one there, and there's one on the other side as well, which will then lift out. And then you'll be able to take the centre console out. So that is basically how you get the seats out. I mean, it'll take a bit longer obviously, but I mean, it doesn't take long. About 20 minutes you can probably have all the seats out. And it's just a case of putting them back in nicely. But I hope that helps somebody. So basically all you need is a T50, and they were 16mm nuts on them. So 16mm socket and a T50 Torx bit, and you'll be able to disassemble them yourself. Anyway, thank you, enjoy.